Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have an HTML file and a JS file in the project. Link the file with script src equals script. JS defer so the browser loads DOM first. Once done, add one simple console. Log or a DOM query to verify the connection. Make sure the browser console shows output. If you need immediate evaluation, paste a tiny inline script inside the page body. This immediate feedback confirms the environment and removes guesswork before you write interactive behavior. Now implement the interaction flow. Select target elements using document. Query selector or get element by ID and store references. Then register event handlers with add event listener for clicks, input, or submit events. This separates behavior from markup. Inside the handler, read or validate values, update the DOM with text content or class list changes, and create or remove nodes when needed. Once you wire events and data flow, test edge cases like empty inputs and rapid clicks to make behavior predictable and debuggable. To finish, prepare the script for production by bundling or minifying, while keeping source maps for debugging if something breaks. Deploy to your server or static host and open DevTools to monitor console errors and network loads. Make sure event listeners attach and resources load. If problems occur, use try/catch around risky code and feature detect APIs rather than assuming support. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the console for the first error, fixing that often resolves cascading failures throughout the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.